Hello, all students and professionals. I welcome you all to my course, which is Learn Project Planning and Controls using Microsoft Project Basic to Advanced course. I'm your trainer, Mohammad Hudarif. I have around 15 plus experience in managing different projects. Overall, I have managed projects of budget around 2 billion plus USD. In our course, we have made sure that we comprehensively cover all the topics, give you guys real world project examples, and the learning should be structured in such a way that we can cover all topics that you guys are looking for. So we'll be having a comprehensive coverage of Microsoft project. We'll be giving you hands-on experience. We'll be giving you real-world project examples, and we'll be teaching you in a structured way from basic to advanced topics. How is this course different from others? So I will be teaching you the project management concepts, and secondly I will be teaching you aligning my Microsoft project with the project management concepts, and will be providing you step-by-step instruction. Why learn from me? So there are three compelling reasons that you should learn from me. Number one, I hold extensive experience in managing Microsoft projects, and which I'll be sharing with you guys. I have a proven track record of successfully delivering projects within time and within budget, and I have experience in training and mentoring professionals from all around the world. How is this course can help you? So there are four reasons. Number one, it will enhance your project management skills. Number two, it will improve your employability and career prospects. Number three, you can gain practical knowledge applicable to real projects. Number four, after you have completed the course, you can join a community of like-minded people and professionals, and you can share your knowledge. What you will learn from this course? So you will be mastering the basic to advanced tools of Microsoft Project. You will be able to learn how to plan, schedule, and control your projects efficiently. These are the course topics that we will be discussing in detail. Number one is what is project and how do you define project success. Number two is what is project management and its importance. Number three is what is project planning and scheduling. Basically, we'll be discussing the main difference between them. Number four is why do we need to do project scheduling. Number five is we'll be learning and exploring different interface tabs of Microsoft project. Number six is we'll be able to learn and create a project in Microsoft project. Number seven is we'll be learning to create a WBS. Number eight is we'll be learning how to add duration to your projects. Number nine is we'll be learning to add different relationship types. Number 10 is we'll be learning about calendars and how can we create them. Number 11 is we'll be learning about what are critical path activities and how can we see them in our schedule. Number 12 is we'll be learning about different resources that are used in Microsoft Project. Number 13 is we'll be learning how to assign those resources. Number 14 is we'll be learning how to assign cost. Number 15 is we'll be learning about resource usage form. Number 16 is we'll be learning about resource leveling and how can we apply in Microsoft Project. Number 17 is we'll be learning how do we create baselines. Number 18 is we're learning how to assign baselines. Number 19 is how do we update project progress. Number 20 is we'll be learning about how do we update cost. Number 21 is we'll be learning about what is earned value management system. Number 22 we'll be learning how to apply earned value management system that we have learned before in Microsoft Project. Number 23 is we'll be analyzing S curves. And then number 24 is we'll be learning how to print a schedule. Number 25 is we'll be learning how do we export a project in Microsoft Project. So get ready, guys, and let's dive into the world of Microsoft Project, and we'll be taking your project management skills to the next level. Meet you in the next video.